The Grand Elk Railroad, reporting mark GDLK, is a Class 3 railroad which operates in the states of Indiana and Michigan. It is one of several short-line railroads owned by Watco Companies of Pittsburg, Kansas. The company leases a 123 miles, 198 kilometers, line from the Norfolk Southern running south from Grand Rapids, Michigan through Kalamazoo, Michigan to Elkhart, Indiana. The line they lease was a former Grand Rapids and Indiana Railroad main line. Watco Companies projects 22,000 carloads per year from 55 customers. Operations began on March 8, 2009. The railroad connects with three larger railroads: the Norfolk Southern, Elkhart, CSX, Grand Rapids, and Canadian National, Kalamazoo, Michigan, via CK&S Line, Kalamazoo Spur, as well as three short-line railroads: the Marquette Rail, Grand Rapids Eastern Railroad, Grand Rapids, and Michigan Southern Railroad. White Pigeon, Michigan. Watco Companies. Elkhart Truth article February 25, 09. Grand Elk Rail fan page.